Hello, today we're checking out Rampart Range Road, and it's a place for off-roading and camping. We started in Denver and it comes out to Colorado Spring. There's one area that you can come out, it's the Garden of the Gods, and it's about 75 miles from Denver to Colorado Spring. Hello, today we're at the Rampart Range Road, and it's a road good for off-roading and hiking and biking. It's also good for camping. There's some people camping over there right now. And let's go for a hike. This is what the road looks like. It's a gravel road, it's not a paved road, but a car can pass by no problem. This is what the campsite looks like. This one of the campsite is number 50, and it's big enough to accommodate a lot of families. And they have some grill and picnic tables, and you can do some campfires. And some are close together and some are spread apart. one of the campsite. Number 7 is smaller than the one in campsite 50, and it's much smaller. The campsite 50 is like multiple family can camp on there. This one's like probably one. It's small. Yeah, if you're into off-roading like the 4-wheeler or the bikes, this is a good place for you to camp because it's an entrance over there to get in that road. But if you want a peace and quiet, this might not be a good spot for you because there's a lot of off-roading and bikes coming by, passing by. And they have some bathrooms along the way. Some parking area have some parking area they don't have any. Hi, this has been a quick look of the Rampart Range Road, and it's a good for hiking, camping, off-road vehicles, and even regular cars. And thanks for watching.